Hi guys, join me and monetize my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So I want to carry you guys along so that I can be able to monetize my channel. See. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. So I received my email and YouTube said, "Congrats, Becky Fresh." Let me just show my screen. Where is it? Okay. So on the 16th of August, I received this email. "Hi Becky Fresh, you can now apply for YouTube YPP." So I was so happy. So the first thing I need to do is to just head over to my YouTube studio. So and I applied. Okay, they showed me this first step. They said step to apply. Number one is to review base terms. So I clicked on it and they showed me all their rules. So I started reading to know what I'm applying for. You know, we shall accept whether you like it or not. So we just read the terms. I read all of them. So if you continue scrolling, you see the terms. I continue reading to understand how YouTube partner program works. So I read all of them, then I clicked accept. So after that, they check the first step, that is review base term. After accepting it, they just clicked it. So the second stage is to sign up for AdSense for YouTube. So I have not had AdSense before, so they gave you options. Do you have an existing AdSense or AdSense for YouTube account? The first option they gave me was yes, I have an existing AdSense for YouTube or AdSense account. So if you have had any YouTube account before and you have created one AdSense, so you can just add it there. It's very easy. But we, as a new YouTuber we are just starting, we need to check the second one. So the second one said no, I need to create one, and the last one said I don't know. It's not possible for you to say I don't know. So you need to click on the second one, no, I need to create one, if you did not have any AdSense before. But if you have had before, you need to click on the first one. When I clicked on it, they brought me to this stage to choose your channel. So I choose my channel, Becky Fresh, as always. So I choose my channel, I clicked on it. So after that, the next thing they showed me was your country. Please make sure that anything you are filling on this page, please make sure that it's correct, because so many people had problem with this. So many people, like, they just had problems. So make sure that anything that you are doing on this page, you can be able to maybe screenshot it, go through it very well before applying, because if you make mistake on this AdSense, you will get problem. So after choosing Nigeria, of course I'm a Nigerian, so after choosing, they brought me here and said your channel URL, they have already put it there, then your billing country or territory, Nigeria. You choose all the correct ones and then click I have read and accept the agreement. You check on it and you click on set up account. So this is the step I took. I like all the things I did. So this is for creating your AdSense account. This for creating your AdSense account. But if you have not reached up to 4,000, you can be able to just skip this stage. You can do it later. But if you have reached up to 4,000, you can be able to just create your AdSense account immediately. So after that, they brought me to this page. So many people make mistake on this page. So here they gave you payment profile. Choose the payment profile that will be that will be associated with this account or transaction. A payment profile is shared and used across all Google products. So after reading it, you see that any account that you create, this account, like any platform that you have at all that had an AdSense, that you are receiving payment from ads, this is the account that you are going to use. No need of creating another account. You just need to be careful with this AdSense, because if you made a slightest mistake or try to do something corner, they will just block your AdSense, and that is it. Please note this: if your channel has a company, like it's a company, please choose organization. But if not, if it's your personal stuff, you choose individual. Because I noticed that there's one account that YouTube blocked up till today. Like, they have stayed up to 2 years without receiving anything at all from their YouTube channel, and their YouTube channel is booming. So what they did is that they choose individual for in the initial time, like when they are creating their AdSense, they choose individual. But now they are trying to change it to organization, and they changed the name in the AdSense. They just blocked it. They have made research and research. They have researched a lot, and they did not see any solution. Like, that channel and that AdSense has already been blocked. So be careful here that you see organization or individual. Choose individual if it's your personal stuff. But if it's not your personal stuff, just choose organization, and make sure that that account, that organization name, make sure that it's the same name that will be on your bank name. Make sure that the same name you have in your organization account is the same name that will be on your bank slip, so you will not have problem. So then, name and address. Please, you will see the name of your channel there. If you know that the name that is there is not the same name with your bank account, just change it to exactly the way it is on your bank account. Like, mine is Becky Presh. I'm not answering Becky Presh in my bank account, so I will put exactly the name I'm answering on my bank account here. Make sure that everything you are putting in here is the same with your bank details, and the same with your driving license, anyone you are using, your passport, anyone you are using at all. Make sure that it's the same name. It is the same name, whether the name or BVN. Just make sure that it's the same name, so that you will not get problem in the future, or they start delaying your payment. So that is the things you have to do here. So after creating all these things, check your postal code, your postal address, know where your this thing is going, where they are going to send your AdSense pin. So know all these things, check the ones that are close to you, so that it will be very easy for you to do. This is not only the way to create your AdSense account, this is just the beginning of it. So after setting up the account, they sent me a message that it will be reviewed in 24 hours. But it didn't even take up to 24 hours. It took maybe 2 to 3 hours. They checked that. I saw that it was checked. So the next one is to get reviewed. YouTube will review your channel to make sure that it complies with the YouTube policies. This usually takes about a month. So see, before I apply for this monetization, I went through my videos. I make sure that everything is neat, because I don't want story that touches the heart. So I checked my videos, I checked my live, I checked my shorts, to make sure that everything is neat, that I did not have any problem, I did not have any copyright before I applied. So before you apply, make sure that you check all those things, check and recheck, so that it will not start taking time, or YouTube will reject your account or reject your monetization. So this is what I did. I checked everything before I applied. So after clicking on this, within 24 hours, because I did it maybe easy in the afternoon, so in the morning, or okay, no, I did it in the afternoon, then by 4 tomorrow I have received a message that I received this message on welcome to YouTube partner program. Like, I was very happy, guys. I was very happy. So if you're a new YouTuber, please never give up. Don't give up. Keep on pushing, keep on trying your best. One day you will get over it. Like, see, I was happy, at least my this thing was paying off. As YouTube said here, let me read. They said, welcome to YouTube partner program. Congratulations, your dedication has paid off and you are now among the YouTube partner program. So this is it. You need to just keep on posting, keep on doing your best, whether you are getting views or not. Just keep on trying your best. Do your best and leave the rest for God, because if not God, I don't know where I could have been today. Like, the strength, the energy is God, the inspirations is God that did it finally. So keep on doing your best and never give up. Show up, keep on showing up, keep on posting, keep on, like, do your best, and finally you will get monetized as I did. So see you in my next video. I'm Becky Fresh and you are welcome, always welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you have not done that. Turn the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. See you in my next one. Bye.